Okay, we're here
at Enchanted Kingdom, and guess what? It's Sunday.
There's no parking.
Sa parking pa lang puno na. Let's see inside.
Kung gaano karami. Oo, dami. Hindi ka mukha nung last time natin, halos walang nakapark, no? Oo.
Tapos po yung parking ticket namin, okay na po yun. Right?
Wala. Pagka-express.
Dapat hindi ka na nag-express.
Wow.
So, iwan siya.
Express!
Express.
Hindi iwawala to, ha? Pang entrance exit mo. Pag nawala to, hindi ka na makakapasok.
Yeah. So excited! Skadush! Skadush! Ayun o. I think that's where they get the electricity. Kaya mo yun.
Never thought too hard about it. Always came naturally.
Ayun sila, guys.
Bisa ang Bruni RV.
The tables are smashed into tiny little pieces. I only want a slice of the pie. And all my time in this town, never thought I'd see the day you and I would come to blows. Think I'm gonna keep it that way. We don't have to think the same way to celebrate.
Uy, grabe yung sa taas eh. Asa sila, Jello?
Second one.
Uy!
Never thought too hard.
Ayan na! Namumula! Mukhang kusino! Ay!
Out of line, and I tried not to make any awkward statements. Always tried to be a good neighbor, waiting for the right time to speak. Now it seems the tables are smashed into tiny pie. I really think we're getting somewhere with just pieces of twinkling in somebody's.
Hindi ko kaya yan.
I really hope we're getting somewhere.
Hindi na kayo bababa.
While the lawn reaches the ground level
I like to think we're getting
and wait
somewhere.
until it's straight unlocked. Kindly check your seat and the charts will bid for any
Dito na.
belongings that you might have left behind. Should you wish to ride once more, please alight and kindly fall in line again.
Kami yung mga Team Hilo. Hindi namin kaya, mahihilo kami. Grabe yung tili ni Jello. Since siya nang una. Hey! Ay, ay kaya. Ay, hindi.
Ay, bababa. Hindi na natakot ako iyo.
Napunan na! Ano yung feeling?
Fun! Super fun.
Nakakahilo?
Mainit lang sa taas.
Ah. Guys, interview. Saan sinakay nyo kanina?
I really like it. Very fun. Kuya Jan.
Grabe yung tili mo lang.
Basic.
Teka, paki-rewind ka. Basic daw eh. Oo, ikaw na nga.
Hindi nga ako tumili.
Napaka-baba pa nung tilingal. Kaya dinig na dinig ka. Si Aliyah. Aliyah was just laughing at you.
It's not as bad. That one, I don't know.
It was just hot at
Just
the top.
really hard. It was really funny because it's Kuya Jan. You should sit beside him ate.
Yoko.
Guys, look at their
Yung
food.
eagle, ano,
Grabe oh.
kabila.
Is it masarap?
Sobrang cheesy. Good ah.
And this is at Annie's Pretzel something. Kuya Jan, how was your food?
Oh, it's really good. It's very cheesy.
No. Would you recommend?
Wala pa yung food niya.
Tried pa.
Oh, kawawa naman. Sorry. Ikaw po. Ay, wala pa din. Sorry. May busog na. Ikaw. Good?
How about you? Do you recommend the pretzel?
Yes.
Ang sarap.
It's really good. It's very buttery. Bye. What ride will we ride next?
Vikings, I think.
I'm gonna ride the bike. Say bye to the vlog. Bye.
Nakakain na muna. So ngayon, punta daw kami sa Rialto. Kasi sobrang init. As in. Bumulan na ako, itim na yung mukha ko. Ayun sila, bumili sila nung cup.
Manonood kami ng sine.
Ano na?
4D.
May bayad ba dito separate?
No. Smart.
Hindi. Kaya po naman.
I work over my anak. I work over my eyeglasses. Kasi malabo din siya.
Oo nga, no. Galing mo doon, ah.
Kasi malabo mata natin eh.
That was really fun.
Kaya nga, ay, nakakagulat yung mga may tumutusok. Oo. Pati may yung paghangin, ano. Sobrang saya nung Rialto. Try nyo din. Pag nandito kayo sa EK. Video! Tingnan nyo guys. Dito kami sa Aguila. Hindi ko alam kung ano to, pero pupuntahan namin.
Mabuhay dyan din everyone. Welcome to Ender's Workshop. Before we start, kanin ka lang sa cellular phone.
So, init. Basang-basa na siya dun.
Oh, hi.
Basang-basa na yung likod ni Aliyah. Yeah. Yeah.
Seatbelt fastened at all times. Keep your hands, arms, and legs inside the raft at all times. For your safety, do not rock the raft. Please secure all loose belongings. This ride is not recommended for guests with the following health conditions: recent surgery or illness, weak heart, expectant mothers, weak back, high blood pressure. Thank you and enjoy your ride.
Ayun na! Ayun na!
Welcome to the Rio Grande Rapid.
Ayun na! Ayun na!
Ayan na!
Ano naman? Uy! Bato naman wala.
Uy, laki na lang kami! Sirant naman!
Wala!
Ayun na! Ayun na! Ayun na!
Grabe yung sigaw ni Jello. Kala mo siya yung mababasa.
Sirant ulit! Ayun na! Si Aliyah! Ayun na! Ako bata! Ibalik nyo! Ay, ayan!
Aray! Okay.
Uy, ba't ako nandito?
Ayoko na this time mabasado. Hello?
Miles! Ano? Miles?
Hindi. Hindi ako. Guys, pag mababasa kami. Pakikuha to.
Hindi!
Pakikuha, pakikuha.
Hindi kami!
Wala tayo!
Oh! Okay, wag naman ako. Iba naman.
Wala na.
Yes. This is successful. Hindi ako nabasa.
Ako nabasa sa book.
Sige, basa-basa.
How fun.
Ako yung tumapad sa waterfalls.
Tapos, ikaw ko kuha na cellphone.
Hindi, si ate pinapod ako, di ba?
Ano? Tapos, dapat sa loob.
Okay, isa pa?
Started facing at a photo they've taken. Space tree flying through the skies and battles happen everywhere. I don't need any hero to save me. I don't know why the kids always crying. I've been thinking about all the captains, but we left in a wasted planet. I thought I had it all together, but I'm waking up sad. You don't need to show your fairy love anymore to them.
Ngayon po ay kami ay nasa pinakatuktok na. Nakapikit na po si Heaven. Sobrang taas na po dito. Sa hangin. Ay no, pati sila oh. Umuga.
Napayos.
Hindi ko rin napansin.
Hindi ko din napansin eh. Buti nga kamo nakita ko pa. Mali nga yung pangalan ko sa ano.
Yan yung sunod ni Jenny Kim.
Mahal.
I know, but I really love it.
16.
Pero ingatan mo yan.
It'll be like my big purchase.
Ang ganda. Pero bagay daw talaga.
Look here, look here. Really nice.
Oo.
I can try the brown one, but the black one is better.
Black ko maganda. Ay, maganda yung
Black.
The black?
Kami maputi siya kasi may filter. Pag wala na filter.
It's still the black one.
Oh, I'm brown.
Kaputi.
What are you wearing, Evan?
New hair.
That's the new release?
Yes. New release. Look at the touch up. Ano pa?
The details, the gentle monster.
I really like it.
What are you getting?
This.
Okay. Go back.
It's mommy's birthday present.
Where's your mom?
Wait, my mom is here.
Okay, you pay it na. Sa may counter. You fall in line. Sumakses na naman po ang person. Sumakses po siya.
Talaga.
We're at BGC.